Hello everyone friends. Well, what do we have here today? Hunting. Finally Tacky got out to crawl through the forest in the taiga. Where a week ago, snow was falling so. By the ski itself, that is with skis, fall down to the ground. There is a lot of snow in the forest already, that's why. Walk you so simple in. Snow does not hold. Last year, walked of course much easier. The snow kept and you run even there even here. But it's been a week. Here the snow seems to have compacted a little. Was well not plus how much that -1 was somewhere. It's -2 and the snowball seemed to get a little denser. Plus the winds appeared. So it seems like now Tride came in, is here. In one place snow keeps it good. While now T was drunk. Braids here around like this are flying. Ha ha, like damn really in a fairy tale. You stand a teacup, you drink out, poke poke poke. Their times 2 3 flew over. Well now time that time is 8 a.m. Was we arrived now later already. They feeding now. And fly as if feeding them goes. How would the bones look here flew over in the end. Across the road now walked. Looked with guns. No too lazy far further where unknown. Therefore okay. In general let's go today cat try to look. With fishing by. Where were that year? Yes that's where that year by the way in mind. There were grouses. Well anything happens it's from a year and from a year. Not of course not depends. With fishing until we go because in the first it is. Now changeable weather like this. Wind snow deafness. Fish don't really bite. Water in snowy. So fishing well tortured. So I think it's better to go to the forest for a walk. Sit by the fire. Look for bird. Try to get. I know many people do not like hunting. Well, our channel is basically called that, seasonal hunting and fishing, as if we love fishing and hunting in our time. Sticks are not overhyped. Yes, we do not take too much. Never finish off a bunch of meat. We don't need this. Mind Ketarivo def for the season. Well 2 is good. No so and also good therefore. In short we rest like this. And this one is about, well smaller here. Yes as if how many meters here 50 need well 60. 70 centimeters. Okay let's go look. Try to find something. Go through the old places. Where were Peter EWS found last year? Mind even one. Well yeah def today probably. We will not look. Things fells. Listen pulled you. And the gun then come on and you give your korechka. Let go. Fucking. But well still caught on. Infection blue. By the most eggs. Let's hand. Fall. Hard one then. Yes you would rest on the stick yes and climb out closer. Put a little. At least shoot puddles yes, but it's easier to take off skis. And the hunt seems to want to rise. I myself know what is. Winter fall on skis. Such snow is heavy actually. The pit is so that as if the bear lay here. They shone. Literally a bump of some kind moved out of the bucard and everything. Here they are at the bottom most likely lying. Over there maybe looking for them. Horseradish knows him. Number 1 hole something is visible at all. No riders or outlines nothing. Damn already hands shaking. From such shots, damn. Come over and mine, it's generally hard. Adrenaline is already in the blood. Damn handsome. We're just walking and casually. Mom calls, worries. How are we there in the woods? Here, death, damn. Gonna try to approach him now. If he waits for me. Adrenaline, guys, such that. Just go, me turning. And feel the look as if someone is watching. And this damn deaf boy sits handsome. Fork like this. Windmill is. Damn, here sitting. I will try to mine it. Here he was, chance. Here he was sitting. What about adrenaline hammering, eh? Hey, damn, I lost it. In the field of vision approached. Thought, well, in this whole place sits there. While there was a loop, lucky went. Here, tuck flew. And sat, then he basically just behind the tree. Behind the tree, didn't see. Well, like that in principle. That's all that means hunting already, damn it. So mesmerizing, such adrenaline. Approach the bird, damn. Crawl through the snow. Of snow like this. Most interesting, just. When we're walking, I turn around, here he sits. Black is so black, you can see his good. Dad says you're go. Maybe there was mine too, but for a long time I was sneaking, hiding. Pleasures received, of course, stunned, oh. Ayoli Paley, how beautiful he went. Tired of even shooting. And the meaning, I think, under the frame to unhook it, naffig. Saw well, flew through the branches when. But this is how they took it off. Above the knee. Well, damn, such moments. What, Dad saw him? Yes. Saw. I heard he flew. And you didn't see, huh? He flew that way. Beautifully flew. Right now I will go out. You need to wear scrunchies. Wind, then just from that side he didn't listen to you. You would be well suited, just the wind. They shone from it. And then adrenaline, then how much my everything. Well, understandable, but what about? Yes, this is you will remember for life, but how do you want to fuck? I'm also how many deaf beat fucking other plaques. Not in winter coming up is actually difficult. Glukarev is damn not autumn there with underdogs somewhere. But yes, when he has all the attention on you it too. I am out of this when winter. It was racing fucking. When near the hut curves he shoots in a bonfire. A shoots don't swear hard. And when he bonfire still in his youth she was still. All day he was chased away, probably he is at my place for this. By logging. Who will sit there 50 meters will arrive again sit again 50 meters will sit. Just coming up on the Visel I think now I will shoot him. Again flies probably and here he was racing all day on. And then one still did not know this place is fuck here. Well yeah actually already got lost. Think where to go then fuck him knows nah. Already a fire in the forest probably. Near the hut did not reach. Literally somewhere half a kilometer probably. This has happened probably. Damn well these kind of deaf people are generally remembered. Just turn your head he looks. Stretched his neck here he sits damn. 70 meters 80 that's me this deaf. Drag. Plaque on this felling also nappig like that damn. This chance was what? Well like this on fuck ton nudge yourself like. Others will go. That's on it on a car shot and everything. He believes he is a dick hunter. Yes I know he. Stuff booze stuff total. He is a hunter I believe. Oh they're off technique it is. And you walk through the forest with your feet fucking stomp. Trample this deaf. That's exactly what try to find first. Then try come over. To him that's it. Come scrape it. And not that he is sitting on the road pulled up. On the car or on this on the storm shot her and everything. Does this count as hunter? It's a poacher damn. This is not a hunter but a real poacher like this. I went to him like this already sat down I think everything. Rest now freely. Now I think you will find it. Horseradish there was a deaf man said here go call you. The hunter is the one who walks with his feet. Looking for snow game skiing. Know somewhere something somehow and this. This is by the way horseradish knows him. Here on the tail looked on the camera. Not to say that big. Straight up kinda like a healthy neck. And on the ponytail it seems small. Well maybe the one that was sitting near the road when I got back I was videoing him. Maybe moved here. They're kicked out what chicks drive in Voroshilovsk. Partridge or something. Campaign cook wanted. I crap. Swear. Fucking. How did we not see one that they were sitting? They went up there from there. From their left rows. Let's go see what was there in. The side went not from the bottom. We're not sitting in the trees. In the trees sat. So here's one feeding. This is where the muffins sat. Out second feeding. Here she is a little further. And one more feeding. Well 3 feeders yes it turns out. Well I tell her. And also small. Times 2 3. In general damn game is game found. So here came out accidentally just to one approach. Right now here we go out. Damn 6 pieces just one. Behind her. My eyes are like this running around the floor. Out 1 2 or no fuck yourself 2 they're still. Damn not here on this pine apparently 2 feet. Out on the little pine another 1 cabstits. In short the birds look damn. At least somehow interesting. Yes and fuck with him let him fly. Next time we stumble and good luck to them will be. Now let's go to look. Maybe it's warm in the booth somewhere now. Right now they're not lying on holes. They are basically in the trees right now everything. Hole right now this one in the cold would yes maybe find Che then. Holes cannot be seen at all holes really yes no. How much do we go? Bird all hike in a tree on the ground walks. Okay let's go try to find something. Maybe what can be found? Well the main thing is that already looked flew. We will look like geese damn swans. Chic 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 for one. That's a sight the camera don't know filmed on it of course. But they're bad to see. Here it is zoom. Here on such a swamp they are. Small. Swamp is here it is a miracle dam and here they live not. You have to look for big swamps somewhere there. Some kilometers there. It's goose swamp. But this is a deaf swamp. So we are looking for small swamps. Pine trees somewhere near winter trees. Roads and there will be thumping possible. If there certainly is. Yeah. Okay we go on. Decided in general this. Inhale a little drink a seagull. Just a row to do. Just now raised deaf. Shouted. Now drink tea. Time because already lunch almost. And go run away further. Trying to find. Damn so it to me. Oh deaf deaf deaf. Already the soul sings when you see pizza in the forest. The main thing is not to take more than the norm. Took a deaf girl and good. Well 2-3 for the season. That is, this is generally in a year. It's totally autumn. I think it's normal. No need to take any more. Here is. Sushniak right now we are her on. Bonfire then let. And then there will be nowhere for deaf. And not this woodpecker out there doubled. You see how to saw you don't even have to hey by lied to me right now. Itself falls on a better dryer. That's the most generally bonfire. This is the most yes Sushniak the most resin. Pine dry is damn the best option. For lighting a fire. Very scary. Modest what we have. The most basic is salzo. Chesnochok bread. Sausage. Well dad hike took dumplings still well yes. The most here it is in winter salzo. Where do you have skewer? There is I took yes right now we will fry the flip fry. Basic in winter is lard. Lard will never freeze huh. Well dumplings here as if. This is the most ours. Best food ever. Winter period. They're homemade. As they say. Soup with greens of course sticks, yeah. And there is still meat look sausage there still looks like it. For aromatic. Tasty. One flavor just worth fucking. Okay Baldim rest eat. Passed so already in order. From that place. From the campfire. Where the fly pots flew away. Can't be seen yet, although the place is. Not bad here young pines Belenchik. Basically everything for deaf. Damn there were 6 of them so. Where they flew unknown. Such a group. Where could they go? We will look. Place is nice. This is deaf then here and left. Cosplay. Can be. Cutting. Gun like this is near. Dick knows him. Light 1. Clear, clear. Think Wolverine. Sky and. Well, it goes so walks. Well, how is yours? Yes, at claws like that. Wolf, then not like that. Pause, what a living thing here. Amberosamaha is here, Wolverine. Everyone wants to eat. Damn, we check the rubber is empty too. 2 braids, damn. They rushed in there. Where is? We didn't find them. Fuck. Everything. Drink. Tea. There are still kilometers to the car. Oh, meters I say. Meters 800 probably. Oh, it's getting dark already. We never found these muffins. Somewhere they gone. Not braids or deaf. Nothing else we saw. With this morning was interesting, and after lunch already somehow. Nothing interesting. Ouch. Anyway. Found. Next time we will come here, peep this shell shore. Then we will go to other places. Well, poured a little bit here. Now we hardly meet something. Wait, we're out on their puddle. I was in a booze fit. And go to the house. Car home. You cannot eat, and you want to drink, yes. Well, the section can be said. Here movies are easy, without drinking possible. Oh, a lot of ginger put Olga. Bakes as much. So you want to drink, you can't pizza. Oh, okay, right now dilute with morsum. There was to embarrass Vladimir. This is the first day. Right now we will already reach your slick 800 meters. Need to master these. And home.